Mom and Dad are coming tomorrow from the village. They'll stay with us for a week. Please adjust a bit.
It's okay, let them come. This time I won't give any chance of complaint. By the way, on what time they will come?
Tomorrow they'll come by 3 o'clock.
Fine.
You please don't do anything like you did before.
No. This time nothing will happen like that. You don't worry.
I don't feel like going there at all. You are just being stubborn. That's why I'm going.
Hey, forget everything now. Maybe she must have got changed. It's been 1 year of those things.
Look, a person can forget everything, but not their insults. Don't you remember how they insulted us last time? I was so sad to see Sanju so helpless.
I'm not a servant of this home. Waking up at 4 a.m., giving them hot water, then they want to go to temple and give them water, cook 3 times of food. With my job, I can't handle these people and this home as well.
You just calm down.
I'll be quiet. First send them back to village. Hey, she's a kid. Our mistake was also there. That we were expecting so much from her. And a person changes according to time. We don't know what lesson of life teaches what.
Let's see how these 5-7 days passes.
Son can't get leave. He can't come to village. If we also won't go, then how we will meet him? See, I'm just going for my son.
And I'm going for you.
Yes, so let's go now.
Hey, aren't you ready yet? Don't you have to go to work today?
No, I'll go to office late today. You go, I'll go from cab today.
Okay, I'm going.
Mother-in-law, father-in-law, namaste. Come na, come inside. Have lemon water and go and have a bath. You must be tired during the journey, na? Your all tiredness will go away. Till then I cook fresh food for you. Okay.
Has auntie started coming there or not?
Okay, Sanju. Will I serve food?
Food? What have you cooked?
Bitter gourd veggies for father and for mother bangan bharta.
And what about my favorite?
I haven't cooked for your choice. Till this date, I always cook of your choice. Till the time mother, father-in-law are here, I'll cook according to their choice.
Okay, can I serve mom now? Okay, please go ahead.
Okay. Mother-in-law, good morning. Good morning. I have kept water for you to go to temple. Here it is. Mother-in-law, when you will come back from temple, till then I'll prepare your favorite breakfast. Okay. Father-in-law, I have filled hot water for you and kept it on dining table. You wake up early in the morning and you need hot water, na? Mother-in-law, father-in-law, today I'll take you to Red Fort, Qutub Minar and zoo as well. Hey daughter, you didn't go to office. No, I am on leave for 1 week from the office. Till the time you guys are here, I have taken leave for that. Hey, but why daughter? Mother-in-law, you came here after 1 year. And in 1 year, at least for 1 week I can take care of you. And I wanted to spend some time with you. And whatever things I did, whatever mistakes I did, I wanted to apologize for them. But daughter, Can I ask you something? How did you change so much? Last year, my brother got married. And you know, na, my family situations are not so good. Few days back, I went to live to my home. I saw my mother, father, longing for small things. In his home, I saw them getting insulted from my sister in law. And my brother, he was not able to say something. After looking at this, na, I was feeling so bad. And I remember that I also did same with you guys. I insulted you so much. I misbehaved a lot. They say, na, whatever you will reap, same you will sow. Now I can't change my mother and father's future, but I can change myself. And I can change and bring a hope that maybe my sister-in-law will change for my mother and father. And then they can live peacefully. Hey daughter, it's okay, stop crying. Don't cry. See, your sister-in-law will understand this for sure one day, and she will live peacefully with your mother and father. Daughter, everybody gets a lesson, but not everybody learns from that. I'll always pray from God that your sister-in-law will also understand. First of all, you guys forgive me.
We have already forgiven you. Okay? Now be quiet and come. Let's take us for a trip.